Hello folks, this is Daniel for this third video for April 25th, 2023. And it's still here ever since they came around like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Right now it's about 6:17, that means quarter after 6. And still today is April 25th, 2023. Yeah, we're almost near like nighttime. Let's hope they just get the hell out of here. Because I want to go over there and maybe if we have enough time, I'll give you some aftermath. Man, it's getting so sunny out there. Yeah, bulldozers packing in. Still doing the job. I see some couple of cars parked over there. Let's hope they're not going to tear down any more damn trees. Leave the trees alone. Scum buckets. This is the little update video for April 25th, and I'll see you maybe a little later for more updates. And keep watching. Bye.